So for today, we will be discussing pictograph. Okay, so just a brief summary for our topic. Pictograph helps in expressing a large amount of data in a simpler form. Further, the symbols in them help in attracting attention and gives a smart way of representing data. In fact, they are quite easy to read since you get all the information in one glimpse and do not need a great deal of explanation. So in this topic, we will know about the history of pictograph, the definition of pictograph, examples of pictograph, and the solution and answer. So the history of pictograph. Pictographs are known to be the oldest way to record data. Dating back to hieroglyphic writing, the Aztec stone of the sun is a famous example from early history of pictograph, dated documenting the Aztec calendar. Today, they are used quite frequently in mass media to communicate data in easy-to-read formats. They are primarily used to communicate statistics and social stratification. So what is a pictograph? A pictograph are one type of data display, also called picture graphs. This representation of data is where a picture or symbol is given a numerical value. The symbol can be divided into halves or quarters, with numerical values that correspond to half or quarter of the amount. A pictograph refers to the representation of data by making use of images. Pictographs represent the occurrence of data by making use of symbols or images that are pertinent to the data. It is one of the easiest way to represent statistical data. Pictograph key. We use key to identify the numbers of categories which are present in a graph. We also refer to it as a legend. Thus, a key on a pictograph let us know how many each picture stands for. So, I have here the example of a pictograph situation. So, on the lower right side of this presentation here, you would see a picture or a chart that has or that states Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And on the lower part of that one, or under that chart, it shows there the oval represents 25 eggs. So for the question 1, the pictograph shows the number of eggs sold by a trader in 3 days. If the trader still had 115 eggs left after the 3 days, we are asked to calculate the number of eggs he had at first. So it shows here that on Monday, it is given 3 ovals. So you just need to multiply 3 ovals by 25 eggs. So you will have total of 75 for that one. And on Tuesday, you'll see there that it has 5 ovals and multiplied by 25, so you'll get 125 eggs. Then on Wednesday, it shows there 4 ovals and multiplied by 25, you'll get 100. So we just need to add up all the given numbers so that we could come up with the answer for this question. So you just need to add up 75, 125, 100, and the given remaining eggs, which is 115. So you will get a total of 415. So that is the answer. And here is the solution for that situation for the first question. So as you can see on this chart here given, The oval is or it would show here that it is simpler for us to identify the number of eggs, or it will be simpler for us to locate or give on the chart what we had or what was being sold by the or how many what was sold by the trader. So instead of putting 75 eggs on Monday, we just come up on 3 ovals as a representation of that 75 eggs. Okay, so we have here our example number 2. So the line plot below shows how students scored on last week's math test. How many students scored 95 or higher on the test? So for us to be able to know, we just need to count, or in this question here, it shows here a chart as well with the corresponding scores. So we just need to count those stars here, since each star represents one student. So on the score of 95, we will be able to see 7 stars, and on the score of 100, we will be able to see 5 stars on that. So we just need to add it up, so we will have the answer of 12 students, right? And this is also the solution and answer for that question or example. Okay, so that's it for our lesson for today, and I hope you understand our report, and have a great day.